Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, leather upholstery. Come see the car for yourself.